gaining a bit.
I'm-
Everyone, bro.
I'm not.
I'm bro. Not like sorry, sure, sorry. I apologize. Roman Cabello. Not like that, but do you understand? No, but bro, you
Tari, isibindi sakho, babes. Yo, Tari. Hey guys, let me tell you the chats. So they were talking about Tari was saying that once you start making money, you gain weight. He knows so many people that were skinny, and once they started making money, they gained weight. So he's saying everyone, once you start making money, you gain weight. But if you don't gain weight, something is eating you up. There is something wrong. You know, they even made an example with Limeke. Is it Limeke? Yeah. They were asking then what's wrong with Limeke? Why is he not gaining weight? And then Taha was like, there is definitely something that's eating him up. You know, there is something wrong. Everyone that makes money, they gain weight. He made an example with Abu Mekji. He said Mekji, look at Mekji is gaining weight. So he was saying everybody, and then Mars was like, what about Kabza? And then that's when he replied and said, ukuthi uKabza ngathi igwinya. Yeah, that's the chat, guys. Yo, hi guys. People under the comment section, they came for him. They came for him. Kodwa naye uThari ngathi kwayena nje emkhulu kangaka nje unesibindi sokubiza abanye abantu ngamagwinya. Thari, hawa babes. Othi lona that time yena okare wa preventer. Oh my gosh, yo, Sahi, people are coming for you, my darling. Utsilo, if Kabza kele gwinya, Tahi ke eng. Kodwa Tahi nto, babes, kodwa Tahi nto tangeke. Utsilo, why is he apologizing? It's not like Kabza is watching this podcast. Oh, guys, maybe he doesn't watch the podcast, but the clips on TikTok, everybody has TikTok, my darling. He's definitely gonna see the clip. Yo, Mara, guys, these podcasts, they give people permission to disrespect other people, then apologize. Kabza has no drama. Waiti, yane. Ngempela shame, and now we spreading humors usima ngalana ukhuluma izinto and then apologize nje, like what's going on with you guys? Let's talk about piano. How until that time yena nkari ojele self-raising flower. I think uthi ngathi udle i-self-raising. Eish mfana waphapha yer. Hawe ma angisahlenga kanje Jesu. You uthi lo wena olidombolo. Idombolo kupho ngcono negwinya. Yo Jess, bro wanted to say that for a very long time. Oh my gosh. No, guys, I don't think so. I think uphahlukile nje. How? Come on, guys. Uthi lo shuthi sibuka akanaso. Mara Thari nawe. Hayi ke babes. Why Mara? Why Kabza? Babes. Kodwa phela bakubuzile ukuthi uKabza yena. Hey, athi lo yena kislenda yini. Exactly my point. Kwayena akasisona islenda uThari. Why is he calling other people igwinya? Guys, abangazi igwinya it's a fat cook. Athi lo somebody said onkare wa preventer. Abantu bayadelela, guys. You. Yo, hey guys. It doesn't see itself. Yo, ay, niyahlekisa kodwa niyahlekisa. Athi lo, they are abusing the privilege of apologizing. Hey guys, yabona nje ukusebenza kwi-podcast, it's not easy, hey? It is not easy. Mina nje angazi nginganjani ngoba nje ngiyakhuluma bo. Uthi lo, that time le Gwinya is him. Yo, our guys. Uthi lo, it's time for this podcast to wrap it up. Kanjani phela ngithi banama-viewers. Ama-viewers azoshonaphi? Mhlawumbe mengasenama-viewers, then they can. Omunye-ke nje wavele wathi nje sima ki-balloon and Yanda is following too. Usima akadlali nje kanjalo, wamlanda fast wathi nje ibhaluni ngunyoko wena. Clean. Hey. Uthi lo wena olidombolo he. Uthi wena uyidombolo ke ngoba wena ubiza abanye ngamagwinya, wena ke uyidombolo. That time Tari looks exactly like igwinya. Yo, ayini guysini, ayini bafethu. Why don't they use no, what am I saying now? Why don't they close lento yabo niyanyanyisa? Yo, guys, they're not gonna close it. Guys, Utsahi made a mistake and uxolisile, guys. Hey, anyway, guys, that's it from me. I'll see you on the next time.